Sandra, listen very carefully. There's nothing cheap about your shears. They're severely inexpensive. These scissors are made in a dedicated scissor factory. They are more hardier and resilient than 95% of our 500 plus scissors. They will outperform 100% of our 500 plus scissors. You throw them from an airplane and you can't cut. With these, you can resume cutting. They're super, super resilient. It's not about the fancy, indefensibly overpriced alloys. It's the tempering. It's how they're tempered. And these scissors are tempered excellent. So there you go. So just, take care of them, wipe them clean and dry after every haircut, rest them in a closed position on a soft surface, and then we'll take care of the rest. You'll have these for another 50 to 75 sharpenings.